How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. If you are saying incorrect password on Instagram on your iPhone, even though you are sure the password is right, then don't worry, this is a common issue and here is how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure or double check your password. Try typing the password in the Notes app to see it clearly, or make sure caps lock is not on, or check for autofill errors if using keychain or a password manager. And if you have tried all of this and your password is still not working, then try logging in from Safari. Simply open the Safari, go to the instagram.com and tap on the login option available in there. Now, if it works there, the issue is within the app. If it still says incorrect password, then all you have to do is tap on the forgot password option available there and move to the password reset. And once you reset the password, if it still does not work, then go back to the home screen and this time search for the App Store in your iPhone and simply tap on it. Once inside the App Store, all you have to do is search for the Instagram app and hit enter. Now again from the list of the apps, tap on the Instagram, and if you see update option available there, update it, because sometimes outdated version can sometimes cause a glitch in the app. Now again done so, and if it's still not working, then you'll have to follow this last method. Go back to the home screen and search for the Instagram app in your home screen. Now all you have to do is long press on the Instagram app and then you will get to see delete app option available there or remove app. Tap on the remove and delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Then try logging in with your new or original password. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.